Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th June 2024. SEBI has notified the SEBI Foreign Portfolio Investors Amendment Regulations 2024. New sub-regulations have been inserted to Regulation 7, that is Certificate of Registration. It states that a foreign portfolio investor or FPI must pay the registration fees as provided in Part A of the second schedule for every block of 3 years before the beginning of such a block. However, registration fees shall be considered paid if the FPI pays the fee along with the late fee within 30 days from the expiry of the preceding block. Further, if the FPI does not pay the required registration fee and the late fee as may be applicable and continues to hold securities or derivatives in India, it must be allowed to sell such securities or wind up its open position in derivatives in India within 360 days from the date of expiry of 30 days and in such manner as may be specified by the board. Fashion retailers such as Myntra and Ajio are offering as much as 70 to 90% discount during their ongoing end-of-season sales as the pressure to clear inventory amid a discretionary slowdown. The two retailers began their end-of-season sales around May 30th, which will conclude next week, while Myntra, part of the Flipkart group, is expecting 20 million potential visits during its end-of-season sale and some 1.35 million new customers during the sale period. Ajio is promoting its Big Bold sale aggressively across platforms including print, TV and digital. Micro, small and medium-sized focus Clicks Capital is planning to borrow rupees 5,000 crore in financial year 25. Currently, the company offers business loans, loan against property, healthcare equipment finance, and K-12 loans or school financing loans. Around 80% of the company's business volumes comes from MSMEs. On average, the ticket size of the company's loan is at rupees 17 to 18 lakh. Global trade is facing imbalances as freight costs rise, primarily because shipping routes are being altered in response to Red Sea diversions. These alterations in shipping routes extend transit times. According to a Hong Kong-based container shipping industry analyst, port congestion has returned to haunt the container markets, with Singapore, world's second largest container port, at the epicenter of the backlogs. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.